Hello, I'm going to help you with solving system of equations. The first one that we're going to do has the equation y equals 2x plus 5 and then 3x plus 2y equals 6. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to graph those lines, we're going to label them, and then we are going to find the solution where they cross or meet. So we always want to make sure that we have our equations in slope-intercept form. It makes it really easy when we need to graph them. So y equals mx plus b is what we're looking for. The first equation is perfect. It's already in that form. So I can go ahead and plot my points nice and easy. I'm going to find a pen here that's a little bit fatter. Let's use this one. Okay, and this says that the b, or the y-intercept, is 5, so we're going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and plot a point. Then we're going to follow our slope. We know that the slope really is 2 over 1. So that means we go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I can't go in anymore, so I'm just going to continue this pattern. So it's really down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1. Okay, now that I have that, I can draw a really straight line through that, and I want to extend it. I need arrows, oops, on both ends, and I also am going to label this. I should call this one y equals 2x plus 5. I'm going to put that, and I'll pretty much lay that right on the line. So I've done the first equation. I'm going to put a little star by it so that I know I'm finished. Okay, putting that on the graph. Now I need to graph 3x plus 2y equals 6. Does that look like it's in slope-intercept form? No, so I'm going to do a little bit of work. You'll have to bear with me because I'm doing this on the computer instead of writing it on the smartboard. So the first thing that I'm going to do to both sides, well, I'll draw my train tracks to keep this nice and clean or organized. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, minus 3x. And to help you see that, I will put that in red. Whoops. So these are red. Okay. Then I can bring down my 2y. And I know that I need to put my mx first, so I'm going to keep my negative 3x and then add my 6 to it. All I did was take this stuff on the side and put it in one line. So now I'm almost done, but there's a 2 outside of the y. So that means I have to divide every term by 2. So this is going to be divided by 2, this is going to be divided by 2, this is going to be divided by 2. And with that, okay, so now that we divided everything by 2, we can put y, and then this is negative 3x, and I'm going to put my fraction right here to make it a little bit easier. And then 6 divided by 2 is really just 3. And I'm running out of space. Let me make a fraction bar. And we are in business. This is really what the equation is. This one is really like equation number 2. So we can graph that nice and easy. I will take pen, let's use this. We're going to start at the 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to follow negative 3, 2, or down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2, down 1 over 2. And we should be able to make another line that goes, oops, I don't want to use that one. see how nice I did that. I didn't do that very well. And this one needs to be moved over a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to put my little finishing touches on my line. I am going to call it, I'll call it the original name. And I'm going to put that over here. So 3x plus 2y equals 6. So I've labeled my line. I'm moving it down here. And now I've graphed it, so that's all finished. And I need to find the solution. Okay, so now to find the solution, this is the second step. We're going to look and see where the points cross. And I'm putting a star there because that is exactly where the two lines meet. And that point is -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -1, 4. And so I'm going to make that nice and big. I'm going to extend my page. And I'm going to say this is the solution of the system of equations. Make it blue. And I'll even circle it, put an oval around it. And that is how we graph system of equations and find the solution. The solution of these two lines is -1, 4.